Hello, in this video I'm gonna answer the question, what charger should you use for JBL Wind 3S? In the manual of the Bluetooth speaker, we can find some information about the usage of the Bluetooth device, and over here we can read that when using an external adapter, the output voltage / current of the external adapter should not exceed 5V/3A. And also in the information about the technical specs, we can find the information that the battery charge time is 2.5 hours, 2.5 hours, when we have 5V charger, at least it seems so. So technically you can use the external charger, but it would be recommended if the charger would not exceed the 5V output voltage. And at the same time we can of course connect our JBL Wind 3S through USB, of course. I mean, it is necessary, of course, to use the USB cable. However, we can plug it into our computer through USB or our laptop. So this is how we can charge, and if you want to use the charger, it should not exceed the aforementioned voltage. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.